Hello everyone, and welcome to this exciting video about the moon. The moon is one of the most fascinating objects in our sky, and it has captured the imagination of people for centuries. From its mysterious and haunting appearance to its role in the tides and the night sky, the moon is truly a remarkable object. In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into the history, science, and mythology of the moon. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn everything you need to know about the moon. Let's start by talking about the origin of the moon. Scientists believe that the moon formed about 4.5 billion years ago from the debris left over after a massive impact between the Earth and another celestial object. This impact is believed to have created a disk of debris that eventually coalesced into the moon. The moon is the fifth largest moon in the solar system, and it's approximately 1/4 the size of Earth. Despite its relatively small size, the moon is incredibly important to life on Earth. The moon is approximately 238,855 miles away from Earth, and its distance from Earth helps regulate the Earth's rotation, which is critical for life on our planet. One of the most recognizable features of the moon is its changing phases. The moon phases are caused by the moon's orbit around Earth and the way sunlight falls on the moon's surface. The moon's phases are divided into four main phases: new moon, first quarter, full moon, and third quarter. Another fascinating aspect of the moon is eclipses. An eclipse occurs when the moon moves between the sun and Earth, blocking the sun's light from reaching our planet. There are two types of eclipses: lunar eclipses and solar eclipses. A lunar eclipse occurs when the moon passes into the Earth's shadow, and a solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes in front of the sun. The moon also has a significant effect on tides. Tides are caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun on Earth's oceans. The moon's gravitational pull is much stronger than the sun's, which is why we see such strong tides during a full or new moon. Tides play a critical role in shaping our planet's coastlines and in supporting marine life. The moon has also had a profound impact on human history and mythology. For thousands of years, people have looked to the moon to track time, mark the changing seasons, and create calendars. The moon has been worshipped as a deity in many cultures and has been associated with everything from love and fertility to death and destruction. One of the most famous moon myths is the story of the man in the moon. This legend tells the story of a man who was banished to the moon for misbehaving, and he is now forever frozen in place, gazing down at the Earth. Another famous moon myth is the legend of the moon rabbit, which is said to be pounding the elixir of life on the moon. In 1969, NASA's Apollo 11 mission marked a major milestone in human history. Astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins became the first human beings to walk on the moon. Since then, there have been a total of 6 manned missions to the moon, and numerous unmanned missions have explored its surface and gathered data about its composition and structure. Today, the moon continues to play an important role in our understanding of the solar system and the history of the Earth. In recent years, there has been growing interest in returning to the moon and establishing a permanent presence there. Many scientists and experts believe that the moon holds enormous potential as a new frontier for exploration and discovery. With its vast resources and unique environment, the moon could play a critical role in humanity's future. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at the moon. From its origin and impact on the Earth to its role in human history and mythology, the moon is truly a remarkable object. I hope you've enjoyed this video and learned something new about the moon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.